Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Gross.
What does the dictionary say?
Without deductions. Total, as in the amount of sales, salary, profit, etc., before taking deductions for expenses, taxes, or the like.
Math rap.
Gross isn't ugly. When on display, it's a number as is before math play. Gross is also the secret word for 12 times 12, the number 144.
Math rap.
Why did 144 not like it when 144 ate spaghetti with his hands? They thought that 144 was gross. If gross means disgusting in English, and gross means the whole number as well, does gross really mean something that's totally disgusting? What things gross you out in a big way? Explain gross in your own words. Which number in the following equation is gross? 5 plus 6 plus 9 plus 21 equals 41. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!